Hey guys, welcome back to the Confirmed RM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into the BNB 2-minute technicals video. And as you can see, getting ourselves the steady decline in BNB. Currently, making some higher lows, but condensing, making lower highs. We are breaking trend from the bottom here, as you can tell. Numerous resistance holding, and as of today, falling through it. And we did have our, each day targets getting kind of blown through and fallen to the downside, but this is our overall trend, as you guys know. So what we need to do is, this is obviously our long-term one. Come back to the zone. This is why we have the zone here. Remember this? We were talking about this earlier in the week. If we're not able to hold that 321, that we're going to fall to the 306, 308 region. So let's see exactly that. If we take the last time it hit trend right here, even there, it does show the same sort of target here on like 311, holding that 0.5. But let's go into our 1 day, or actually, let's zoom in closer on our 1 hour and get a better idea what we see going on, guys. So, we have our top side here. Could use these three on the top, just like this. We can get rid of this one temporarily, or get rid of this one temporarily as well. Grab ourselves our trend on the bottom. You can see it's coming to some sort of confluence on noon on Monday. We're going to get some sort of move on this 1 hour, and I think that it actually follows almost the same exact trajectory that we were giving it earlier in the week. And look at that, yeah, on 306. Interesting how that works, right? Because our break from the trend told us exactly 306 on the larger region, and now our break from the smaller region is telling us the same thing. Definitely interesting. And what we can also do, if we really want to know, like, within hours the move is going to be, we could also do a 15-minute chart like this. And as you can see, different formation, it's multiple tops right here. Zoom in a little bit more if you're ready for that. And you could follow the resistance here on the bottom, go across. You can see I don't really like these that much, but you can see numerous 1, 2, 3, 4 hasn't quite come back for that. So it looks like a break around small 4 o'clock in the morning, but that move is going to be like pretty negligent. Looks like it'll be either pushing itself back up to around 330, or it's going to push itself down and retest the bottom of this trend line in the shorter period of time around that 319 region. Just kind of meandering. It makes sense. Just kind of ping-ponging around here until it gets to later Monday morning into the afternoon of pushing itself either to the downside or the upside. But at the moment, we're teetering on resistance, so it's definitely something you need to be watching, because we're sitting here at a 60 on the RSI. Obviously, if I take short-term price action, top right here to the bottom here, I'm sure that's sitting at an interesting region. Absolutely is. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, it keeps hitting resistance at 0.5. So if we can't get through this 0.5, I'm expecting a retrace down back into the zone. It's going to hold the 320, but if it loses that 320, it's going for that first target, at least, of the 316, and then going for that full extension down here at 306. So just keep that in the wraps. Obviously, this doesn't mean it'll be that exact price at that time. What ends up happening, as you guys know, it makes the strides to get there within candles, hours, 4 hours a day. It starts to give you the idea where price action could head. But alright, guys, hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, this isn't financial advice, and I will see you guys, of course, on the next one.